Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about automotive filter cap. So left side you can see sheet metal component which is done with the stamping operation, and right side this is the forming tool. So I am going to show you how to create this component in sheet metal module. So this is the forming tool. So initially I am going to show you how to create this forming tool. So let's start now. I have taken a new SolidWorks part file. Select the top plane, go to sketch, take center point rectangle, so rectangle is about 20.4 by 152.4. Come out of this sketch. Now select top plane once again, go to sketch, select convert entities, select sketch fillet, this is 50 mm. Select these three lines, make it construction. Now select 3-point arc, select this arc and this line, make it tangent. So come out of the sketch. Now select top plane once again, select offset entities, take 20 mm distance. Select top plane, go to sketch, select convert entities, select extruded boss, it is 10 mm. Select this face, or you can select the top plane, go to sketch, keep it normal, go to convert entities, select chain and select the other sketch, go to feature, cut extrude, take 5 mm and select the draft, and take 30 degrees. Hide the sketch. Now select this face, keep it in wireframe. Take center line, joining the midpoint and this vertex. Select this line and this origin, make it coincide. Now select this point and origin. It is 35 mm. Now select all the lines, make it construction. Take a circle, and diameter is 5 mm. Select all the 3 circles with control button, make it equal. Now go to feature, select extrude. You can give 10 mm. You can take any value. Now select this face, go to sketch, keep it normal, create a circle. Dia is 50 mm. Go to extruded boss, make it 20. Now we have to apply forming tool. So before that we have to apply fillet at this edges. So it is 2 mm. See here, instead of face we have to select edge. Now we have to apply forming tool. You have to go to sheet metal module, select forming tool, So this is the stopping face, and material removal is this face, this cylindrical face and flat face. Say okay. See, this forming tool is ready. Now we have to save this file. So we have to save this file in the forming tool folder. Now I am going to create final component. So I have taken a new SolidWorks part file. Select top plane. Take center point rectangle. Select these two edges. Make it equal. It's 250. Select the base flange. So take 1 mm and K factor as 0.45. See here. Now go to forming tool folder. Select this and place it on the face. So see the orientation, just flip the direction. See here and just say OK. Now select this edge, go to sketch, convert entity. So here we have to select this face. See here, it is converted into rectangle. Sheet metal and extruded cut. Say through all. Say OK. See here, this final component is created. So this component is usually done with a stamping operation. So we have to create a forming tool to create such components. So this is brief about automotive filter cap creation in SolidWorks sheet metal. Thank you very much.